Sahas for Cause, a SoCal based nonprofit dedicated to uplifting quality of life of immigrant community, and
Tarika Foundation, a Northern California based nonprofit whose mission is to create mental health awareness in children and teens, got together to address mental health taboo, community education, and awareness campaign.
through this collaboration, youth from Sahas and Tarika will be producing short bite sized informational videos on mental health disorders and their treatment.
Let's now hear from the youth ambassadors of Tarika Foundation and Sahas Youth about this project.
Hi all, my name is Malavika Ebi and I'm the Youth Coordinator for the Tarika Foundation, a non-profit organization focused on child and adolescent mental health. I'm also the lead of the Tarika Sahas Youth Collaborative Video Project from the Tarika Foundation side.
Hey everyone, I'm Kaya Gupta, president of the Sahas Youth Chapter for Sahas for Cause, a nonprofit organization, and I'm also the lead for the Tarika Sahas Youth Collaborative Video Project from the Sahas side.
For this project, we will be creating educational and engaging, bite-sized videos explaining symptoms, causes, treatments, and commonly spread myths about various mental health conditions, such as autism, ADHD, anxiety disorders, depression, grief, personality disorders, and OCD, to name a few.
To make these videos some of our best work, the Sahas Youth and the Tarika Youth will work together on the research aspect, the scripting, the editing, and production of the videos, including interactive elements such as voice animation and narration. We hope to engage with viewers and provide content that will reach out to communities in which mental health is a recurring subject of taboo.
Our intent over the next year is to break the stereotypes surrounding better-known disorders like anxiety and depression, and the stigma surrounding the more taboo mental health disorders such as PTSD and personality disorders. We also hope to dispel myths about certain conditions like ADHD and autism. This way, we hope more people will learn to authentically empathize with and support those suffering from mental illnesses.
We can't wait to produce and distribute these videos out to the public beginning from next week. To see these videos, be sure to subscribe to Tarika's YouTube channel, Supporting the Whole Child, and Sahas' YouTube channel called Sahas for Cause. Also make sure to check out all of our platforms such as on Instagram and Facebook. We sincerely hope these videos will be beneficial to those of you seeking treatment options or simply looking to understand more about social and emotional health matters. Thank you.